So guys, welcome to this unboxing QMO key for US Arduino project. Okay, started it. So we're gonna do the unboxing for this QMO kit started. I'm gonna show you everything that comes on the box and what to expect on this unboxing. Able to check piece by piece and find out what they got on this unboxing. So right now I'm showing you about this on Amazon for Cyber Monday deals. It was 30 and it cost me 20 bucks something. Something. It was $10 off deal. It wasn't bad because you got a lot of stuff and then they give you the R3. So now we are going to do the unboxing. So we're gonna open. We always got the picture about all the stuff we got on this box. We're gonna do. Here is the CD. The CD goes. They give you the tutorial, pictures, and how to do our lessons with this starter kit. So we're gonna show you right now. This is the picture to show you what contains in the box and everything that goes. So we're gonna do. They give you a 6 months warranty, free, extra, beyond the 18, beyond the 12. Let me see for 12. Now we got the. This is the CD. The CD that give you the code, the circuits, the overview, tutorials, everything. So later we're gonna find out how it goes. And this is the card that goes the resistance. If you mess it up, you combine all the resistance and you don't know which voltage is, you can check on this card and then they're gonna tell you the resistance numbers. Now we're gonna go with the jumper cables. This is the B10K variable. It means you can use to do voltage input. When you want to lower, you just do the circle. It's gonna, and then we're gonna go to the next section. It's gonna be a bunch of jumper cables. We got 2 different jumper cables. This is for the battery that goes on one of the circuits. We got the jumper cable right here. We got 2 different. We got that goes one to the R3, and then the jumper cable that goes between breadboard. And then we got more than like 10 cables. This is for our R3 breadboard to the board, to the circuit board. Then we got jumper cables, and then we got the 5 voltage step motor. That one is gonna help us doing some not racing but circle core. Now we got the HCSR04. That one you can do for distance, sounds, and they got 4 pins, and this is gonna help doing some coding using distance and different items you can do lighting circuit with that. And then we got our buttons. We got different colors. We got red and yellow, small and big. We got 2 yellows and 2 red ones. Well, we need to assemble one first, and this one is the activate buzzer. And then we're gonna check right here because on this little bag it has different stuff in. Always check the pins of every item that you order when you order starter kits, because sometimes they put it all together and then on the shipping part they may throw it the box and then they may bend all the pins. Always check the pins before connecting everything on the breadboard. Now we're gonna do the cap 4. Cap all comes 4. I'm not sure what is that, but we're gonna find that later on the tutorials. We got the USB cable for the Uno R3. Now we got this on this back, different items, which is SW520D, the flame, and the SDS. I saw one tutorial that you can use that with using lasers and the Raspberry Pi camera. So I mean you can do these to do different stuff. These ones are the SDS. They come 3, and then we're gonna do the flame. And then last but not least, the IR receiver. And we got an SW52OD. They're little hard to grab it. Now we're gonna do the LED. They got red, green, and blue. That one we're gonna do later. The last, we got the control. That one is can use lighting for lighting, coding, sending different signals using that one. And then we're gonna later open the expansion. The motor drive. And then this is gonna be the 3.3 voltage and 5.0 voltage. That one you can connect it to the breadboard and then start sending signals to the breadboard. And then that one it can go for on electricity power, or you can put the battery that comes on the kit. That's the battery that comes with the kit. Those are 9 voltage battery. And then now we're gonna take the mini breadboard. That one is gonna be for small ones, and then this is gonna be for big. It means you can send the power again on the top, the ground on the top, and then you just connect it to the middle ones, and then you send power. And then that one is on the middle. It means small projects you just connect it to the board, to the circuit. Now we got the resistance. We got 1K resistance, 10K resistance, 220 resistance, and 330 resistance. If you mess it up putting all on the same place, taking the tape, and you don't know what kind of resistance that you can always check. If you don't have the machine that show you how many the resistance, you can use the card that they give us. That one is the expansion for the Uno R3. If you got more pins, you can put it on the top of the Uno card, the Uno circuit. So we got the power 3.3 and 5 point voltage, and analog pins too. And then we got the LCD display. You can try inputs, characters, numbers, and the different signals on the keyboard. Now we got the matrix, A by A matrix. We got the seven segment, 4 numbers of 7 segments, and then we got a 7 segment, and we got our famous 74 HC 595 chip. And then we're gonna open this small box that comes with the touch bar. That one is gonna be the thermal. The one I'm holding in my hand is the thermal. It's good they send the small box to avoid breaking any circuit on that. And then this one is gonna be the touch bar. And then we're gonna take these two. The blue one is gonna be the DTH11, and then that one is a little. That's my first time seeing this, but on the CD they can tell you what kind of is that. And then we got the touch circuit. I guess on the circle is just the part you can put the touch, and then we got the RGB LED. That one, that's my first time seeing this, but on the tutorial we're gonna learn how to use that one. So after that you can make your own items. The other one is a thermal, and then last but not least, that's the 1 or 3. It's a little smaller than the Raspberry Pi. You only got the best thing about this board, it means you write the code, send it to the chip, run the program, and then if you wanna off the circuit you can put it back, turn on, and then you're gonna keep running the circuit. We're gonna open the 1 or 3. See? Oh, they always come with this stylistic bags to avoid burning any circuits on the board. We're gonna open, and then on this kind of board, you put the code, it runs as a loop until you change the code. It's gonna keep, means you turn off on the board, it's gonna keep running the circuit. It's not the same as the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is more like small computing. You have to go to the command line, run the program, and but right here is different. We're gonna do this. Always come with the anti-stick. I'm gonna put it later back. Now we're gonna open the famous motor driver. There's one chip, and then on the pins go on the both sides. It doesn't matter which one. I'm gonna put it right here, and that's all. I hope you like this video.